We start with the 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was exactly within here, we mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And even I highlighted one of the option to put our entry at the top. At this top, it's somewhere around 0.245 or 244, where the price is right now. It is because we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, and this is what we get. And I mentioned with the breakout of 0.26, we are looking to see whether the price can take 0.330 cent or not. As you can see, the highest price we got was 0.27 cent. Then we see the rejection. Okay. Anyway, that's why I mentioned any trade for buy, we will take it. And every time I mention we are looking for the reversal, but we can expect to the price sharply move and reverse. Okay. But for those traders, they didn't get the trade out in the profit. If they keep the trade, then now they should consider whether they want to keep the trade or take out in the break even. Because if anyone even get it by having trade above the top right now, they can take out the trade in the break even. Okay. And if we move to daily chart, again, we have been looking for buy and we have been looking for this correction. And what we wanted to see, we wanted to see the breakout of the zero point 0.3, but as we can see, the price couldn't break and still we are within this correction. And if we move to forward chart, it was the first wave. We see the 1 second. Can we expect the price retest the previous low and we will be within this bigger correction? For sure, if it's happened, it can give us better opportunity to look for buy. But right now, what we see here, no, we need to wait because the price rejects quite sharply. Whether this one is going to continue and retest the previous low, and this is what we can look for as one of the option. But one things I need to highlight here, one of the reasons we could take out the trade in the profit, all right? Because if we put the trade, I mean, since we have been looking for buy from here, okay, when we see the price couldn't break the previous top, and if you refer to the indicators based on forward chart, we had the divergence. This is where we should make a decision whether we should keep the trade or not. And when we, if we move to 1 hour chart, when we see the price couldn't break the previous top, if we zoom out, following by divergence based on forward chart and rejection as this too sharp move, this is where we could take out the trade in the small profit within here. Okay. Anyway, now we want to see what's the next. Whether if I move to forward chart, whether we're going to have a bigger flat and the price is going to drop to 22 as a flat in relative to this, we look for the next trade, or we are going to get the only correction for continuation. That means the price is not going to retest the previous low, which is 22. That means this is the only correction. Anyway, we don't care about which option is it. The only thing is if the price continue, we just let it drop. Or even if it give us a correction, deeper correction, this is where we can confirm for continuation. We are not looking for sell also. All right. The only thing is any reversal is a short move flag. Again, we take the trade. And from what I can see here, even is simply we can expect the price to, if the price could break 0.244, simply we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 22. Okay. By the way, at this point, we are not going to look for buy unless we get the reversal. The best thing is we just let it go. So we see what will happen here before making next trade. Again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.